Getting outdoors is so good for us, not just physically, but also mentally. It takes us away from the stresses of the fast-paced, technology-driven world we live in and gets us back to simplicity and nature to give our brains that much needed rest. Those are the words of my constituents, Tracy Purnell of Newtown Mountain Ash, who beat almost 500 hopefuls to become the Ordnance Survey Champion 2017. In which role she will lead this year's Get Outside Challenge, inviting members of the public to join her on local walks to improve their physical and mental well-being. Also today, Ramblers Cymru launched their 10-year vision to create a true walking culture here in Wales, in association with my colleague, the AM Frogmore. Their vision is of a Wales where people understand their rights and responsibilities, where places, landscape and our natural heritage are treasured community assets, and where everyone has the freedom to enjoy the great Welsh outdoors that is often literally on our doorsteps. Walking is the most accessible form of exercise, and if we could encourage Welsh citizens to walk more, we could reduce the £314 million that physical inactivity costs the Welsh economy every year. It is also good for Welsh citizens. Heightened physical activity levels through walking reduces the risk of health conditions like heart disease, diabetes and even depression. In particular, we need to encourage our young people to walk more, so I welcome the Welsh Government initiatives like the Daily Mile to get our school children into good habits and look forward to working with Ramblers on a project in my constituency this year.
Thank you.